It's time for another late night NMKR Mint tutorial. Again, what is NMKR Mint? It's an easy to use, no code NFT minting platform. Create single NFTs or create a collection of 15 NFTs. For this tutorial, we're going to create a single NFT. Select single NFT and click next. Time to upload the files you want to mint. You can upload up to 50 megabytes per individual file. Up to 6 files. We support image, audio, and video files. You can click this little information icon here for a list of files that are accepted. Now I'm going to drag and drop my file. You can click this eye icon here to view your uploaded file. As you can see, it's a scary looking egg, possibly a dragon egg, a demon egg, or an egg that somebody sneezed on. Next, you're going to input the token details. For the display name, I'm going to put the demon egg. Description, an egg from the age of darkness. Token name, the demon egg. For the tags, 3D and AI. License, NMKR Personal. For royalties, I'm going to put 5%. Now enter your payout wallet here. This is where the royalties and sale proceeds will go when your NFT sells. Click the checkbox and continue. You can view a larger picture of your NFT here or click Mint Now. I'm going to click Mint Now. And there you go. I minted my NFT and it was sent to my wallet. Now I can share my new creation to Twitter right from the minting page, so everyone can see my demon booger egg. And that's it. NMKR Mint allows you to basically have a pop-up shop anywhere on the internet. All you need to do is copy and paste a link. This is Victor Ann. Thanks for watching.